हांगा असेंब्लीन येवचे पयलीं आमी स्पिकराक मेळिल्ले. स्पिकरा कडेन आमी एक कंप्लेंट लॉन्च केल्ली वर्बली आनी हावजान आमी ट्राय करीत आहात की फॉल्स कंप्लेंटीचेर एक आमदाराक अरेस्ट करतात. स्पिकरान परमिशन दिलें हें आमकां खबर नाशिल्लें. दिलें म्हणून कळटकर आमकां शॉक जालो. कित्याक स्पिकरान खरें करूंक जाय आशिल्लें म्हणटलें ही शूड हॅव sought a report whether the allegations in the form of a complaint that were lodged by a complainant were they true or not, because in the house the speaker is supposed to be our guardian. It appears that the speaker is coming under pressure and is doing things which he should not be doing, including taking cognizance of a complaint by individuals masquerading as youth wing of a political party. These individuals cannot come into the house. In the precincts of the house, democracy is killed in Goa at the moment. We are, creating a record that an MLA has been arrested on frivolous charges, when bigger accused, who have not even got bail in the courts, are roaming around free. So the assembly session, just after being, attacked continuously and exposed for the last 3 days, the government is frustrated, desperate, and doing things which are completely contrary to law and the constitution. Yesterday what has happened, Rohan Kaute will explain. He's got a very eminent witness who is the senior most member of the house, who has had every position which the house can offer, who knows what is the way the house should be conducted and what actually has happened. Even his role as a witness nobody has asked him what actually happened, when he himself has come on record to say that I was there and nothing of this sort has happened. So now our demand is that we are asking for the arrest of the person who has given a false complaint and has led to an arrest of our colleague. So that has to be considered. Till the speaker does not allow this, we will not allow the house to function.
All businesses are legal. 200 वर employment as how we are generating employment of about 200 goals, and we are ensuring that all businesses are carrying proper legal entities. So ते करता असताना त्या माध्यमांतल्यान जे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स जाले, म्हाका दिसता माय ऑफिस ऑर द ड्यू ऑथॉरिटीज, आता समज सरकार इतलो दुष्काळान आसा की रोहन खंवटेचे पैसे घेवन फायनान्स सरकाराचो चलयतले, so they are so financially bankrupt that only God help them. But ते जातकर in the evening yesterday, myself and ex-Chief Minister Pratap Singh Rani, we were walking out together. Sri Digambar Kamath was ahead of us, and after the session we were just going and having a casual out. Then Bab Mamre again came, so I just casually said that he's been linked to us from Salvador Rimon Bridge. He has been linked to me as a ITG board director आशिल्लो तो. So we share a good आमले कितें काडलें रे काय म्हणलें, बरें कितें काडपाचें मरे म्हणलें. तरी LIC प्रीमियम उरला, इन्शुरन्स प्रीमियम उरला, ते म्हणलें चेक करात. त्याचं नॉर्मल आणि we walked, and this was a walking thing, not even stopping. Yes, करून आम्ही सकल देवले and we have walked out. I understand at 9 o'clock there was a press conference of BJP, which I don't know what happened, but they decided to say that it's an assault and आम्ही कितें मारिल्लो कितें केल्लो ताचो आवाज तरी येवंक जाय आशिल्लो. It was right outside the Chief Minister's office where everybody is there. Luckily for me, देवा भशेन राणे बाब मयूर आशिल्लो, we were walking together. So ते देवतकर we went, रातचे तांचे प्रेस जातकर they supposed to lodge a complaint की हांवें assault केला म्हणून. म्हजे कडल्यान कांयच विचारूं ना, and I was at home. I understand they charged me some sections of 341 and 323, and then I had the police coming at 1 in the morning to arrest me. Assembly चालू आसा आनी हांव तेन्नाच न्हिदिल्लो, आनी अक्षरशः दार धडावन बेल मारून आपूण अरेस्ट केला. अरेस्ट करतकर I had to bail myself out, but family भुरगीं were disturbed, they didn't know what was happening. So something which is not required in today's things. There are much serious concerns of law and order which we are talking today in the house which need to be tackled. आणि आमदाराक धमकी दिवन समज परवरी दे want to make a entry politically बी आमचे साधे सर्वसामान्य मनशाक एक मेसेज भंय घालपाची, तर ते अजून गोंयकाराक वळखुना. गोंयकार ठाम आसा, they will give the right message to them at the right time.
We have walked together. Nothing of the sort, that complaint, etc. This is not a Gestapo Raj. they can't do just putting false complaints. We are not living in all that old type of government which was there earlier in Portuguese time. नाही घालप कोणाचे तुझे इन म्हटले म्हणून त्याला धरा तसले की ते चल्ला ना. See, this is a false complaint. It should not be entertained, and I think they are trying to concoct something like what was there during the colonial Raj.
आणि रातचो ताका एक वरां दी देड वरां दी ताका म्हाका याद जाता तामिळनाडूची तामिळनाडूक एकदां करुणानिधी असो मिडनायट रातचो सगळे लायव्ह टीव्हीचेर आख्ख्या हिंदुस्तान आनी जगात सुद्दां दिश्टी पडले ताका असो उबारून बिबारून घाल्लो पळय त्या पद्दतीचे म्हणजे हे गोंयांत अशे पद्दतीचे फर्स्ट टायम जाता आनी म्हाका दिसता आमी स्पिकराकय सकाळीं मेळून सांगलें विधानसभेत आमची मागणी आसा प्रताप सिंग राणान सांगलें त्या भशेन खरेंच बरी गजाल तातूंत म्हणजे प्रताप सिंग राणा ताजे बरोबर आशिल्लो समज तो नाशिल्लो जाल्यार कितें जाता आशिल्लें हांव नको अशा पद्दतीचे एक कॅम्पेन करपाचो तांचो प्रयत्न आसा आनी म्हणून म्हाका दिसता बेजिकली आमी आज विधानसभेत सभापतीक मेळटकीर आमी म्हणलें की आमकां जस्टीस जाय जो पर्यंत आमकां जस्टीस मेळना तो पर्यंत आमी हावस चलपाक दिवपाचें ना असो आमचो सगळ्यांचो स्टँड आसा.
What about the budget session? Will you allow the budget session, I mean the budget to be read out, please?
सी बजेटा पेक्षा हो लोकशायेंत दिल्लो हक्क चड इम्पॉर्टंट अशें म्हाका दिसता. लोकशायेंत आमी मानतात प्रजेचें राज आमी पयरच प्रजासत्ताक दिन सेलिब्रेट केला आनी प्रजासत्ताक दिनाक हांव थंय प्रेजेंट आशिल्लो थंय गव्हर्नर आशिल्लो चीफ मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो एका स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांनी सुंदर प्रेजेंटेशन दिल्लें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया सायडीक बाबासाहेब हांव काल विधानसभेत सांगलें उलयता आसतना गव्हर्नर सायडीक बाबासाहेब आंबेडकराचो फोटो एका वटेन सोवेरेन सोशियल डेमोक्रेटीक सेक्युलर असो तो एक डिफरंट हें दाखोवपाचो फ्रोट आशिल्लो पूण आमकां दिसता कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनान जें कितें बरयलां ताजेर आमचो सगळ्यांचो विश्वास आसा आनी म्हणून आमची मागणी सभापती कडेन आसा की हो जो अन्याय आमच्या कलिगाचेर जाला ताजे खातीर आमकां जस्टीस मेळची अशें आमी तातूंत कितें रॉंग करता अशें म्हाका दिसता.
आमी तेच कालच्यान आमी तेच उलयता जंय कंप्लेन आसा जंय एक्शन जावपा जाय तें जायत ना पुलीस हॅव नो टायम फॉर दॅट बट दे हॅव इनफ टायम टू कम ऑन अ फ्रॉडलंट कंप्लेन at 1 AM in the morning and pick up an MLA from home and arrest him.
हाच बाबू शेवटे नासतना तांणी बाबुशाक भितर उडयलो हाजो अर्थ कितें हाजो अर्थ जो मनीस तांचे बरोबर आसा सो दे वॉन्ट वी ऑल्सो शूड बी विथ देम. इज इट डेमोक्रेसी काय बाकीचे करता म्हणून सगळ्यांनी आमी तेच करता.
BJP Yuva Morcha gave one memorandum to the speaker. Now that speaker taking an outsider, a BJP supporter, worker, whatever, that fellow looks like a terrorist Mantu. That is a sign. That fellow, I don't know from where he has come. I don't know from where he is at Morcha also. Comes to the speaker and gives a representation.
आणि हाऊस चालू असताना
House चालू असताना आणि speaker accepts the. Hey, speaker doesn't know the rules. I don't know. It is not fair for me to comment on him. But he is the speaker, no? He should not receive from a person of no importance.